What's up, everybody? George from Sac City Auto Parts, and I got a question for you guys. What's better than one Nismo? Two 370z Nismos. The other day I was at the auction and I was just looking at a 370Z and I was like, wait, this one's perfect just to fix this one. And to have all the white parts with matching paint codes would make our life so much more easier. I'm going to show you guys why I decided to not fix this one. This one pretty much looks like Godzilla took its claw and ripped it through the door and the quarter panel. On the other side of this car, everything is clean, which leads me to this car right here. So this is pretty much the only part that is slightly pushed in. Let me show you guys the inside. Has a curtain airbag, seat airbag, and a steering wheel airbag that's deployed. But I know a place right there that has them, so I don't think that's going to be very hard to get. So if you guys need parts, you already know who to call as well.
Sac City Auto Parts.
This one has a super clean rear end. Nice and fat. Here is the donor Nismo that we'll be pulling every single one of our parts from. As you can tell on the other one, everything was busted. So we'll be pulling this whole subframe and dropping it straight into the other Nismo. Luckily, this survived. You know how much this is?
$700.
$850.
Jesus.
$1,100 at the dealer, $850 our price. Damn! I thought this was busted. I was about to order it too. I just saved myself $850.
I just saved myself $850. It has seen better days. Okay, so that's all freed up. We'll get the top done. Core support made it. If you look at this webbing, it's like spider webs, but it's like stronger spider webs, and that means it's Black Widow. See that little guy crawling away? Yeah. Need to get this brace out of here because the subframe sits on top of that. So we'll get this first, and then do the steering shaft, start that suspension over there, and then let her go. Subframes are very awkward to work with, just because they're not like evenly weighted. I'm gonna need Zach's help again here. Oh yeah, that other one was really bent. Oh. Yeah. It's crazy. It's like almost fixed. I mean, it's close, in my opinion. All right, so the suspension and subframe, everything's all dialed in. It's gonna go to frame, but I don't know if he's ready for us yet, so we're gonna go to the inside. I'll probably rip everything out and then vacuum it and clean it because there's sand and a bunch of nasty stuff everywhere.
All right, now that Sheldon has this thing completely gutted, seat's not even bolted in, I'm gonna drive it to the body shop. It's not too far away from our shop. This thing drives good. This needs an alignment, obviously.
All right, so George just got back from the alignment on the 370. So first things first, since I'm doing all like the new seat belts and the seats and just kind of buttoning up the interior, I'm gonna get all the parts out of here. I think this car is a beach car, so like all the fallout on the roof, I mean that'll all like buff out. There's like a bunch of like gummy on here. Ooh. There's like literal mold in there. Look, that's gross. We got this vacuumed up a little bit. I have the center console out. We were cleaning that. Hit that with a vacuum real quick, but I'm gonna do the airbag control module. It says okay, so let's hope so.
Oh, where'd you get that from?
Sac City Auto Parts.
Oh, wow.
Now did I plug this in? The airbags just deploy on you?
Oh.
That probably looks so wrong. I'll do seat belts, airbag right now. Okay, so you go right there, And the cool thing about these airbags is they have little tabs on the mounts. So like you don't have to worry about setting that up here and then having it fall down and smack you in the head. Like that. A little finishing piece right here.
It really is coming together.
Wow, what a transformation.
Right? Hey, do you have a freshy hat?
Get the black one.
You want the black one?
Yes.
Okay. My hair is pissing me off. That's the only reason this is happening. Oh my god.
It needs a little detail
Oh my god. Dude, I like it. Actually fits good. What do you think? I haven't
It
even
looks
looked
like a
at,
hat that you would like.
I haven't even looked at myself, but I think I like it.
Because I've given him multiple hats and he's like, I don't like it. And he'll put his own on, his own dirty one on. And then, yeah, if he likes this one, I'll freaking...
He's never told me this before.
Yeah.
He feels some type
if he
of
likes
way.
this one, I'm about to freaking order a bunch. How many 370z Nismos were made?
Why?
Because I want to know. Because now it's actually numbered. We actually knew it's 1600 for 350z's, but this one is 908. Let's ask ChatGPT. 1,613 units of the first generation 370z Nismo were built.
ChatGPT was wrong. We found out the right number.
Yeah, that's crazy. So, so these are pretty rare too.
I thought that was for sale.
Huh?
I thought that was for sale.
It was. And then I took it. Always scared about an airbag blowing up. Remember how I was telling you earlier?
Mm-hmm.
Horn works.
Yeah.
Give a little spritz.
Where'd this come from?
Oh, we found it in a car. We're gonna throw some degreaser on this right now and pressure wash this. I'll cover the cabin air filter hole and then cover the IPDM with some plastic so that nothing gets in there, but basically everything else can get wet. This always makes my nose tingle, bro. Bro, look how good that cleaned up.
Yes.
Did you see how dirty this thing was?
It was definitely sitting around for a long time, for sure.
Got it.
Hey.
So, these beauties cleaned up nice. Greg is amazing at what he does. Oh, look at that feminine, baby. So that side got brand new front and rear fender liners. This side, it was just off because we had to take the bumper off. Just finished doing that. We're gonna slap the wheel back on and put the under shroud on, and this thing is ready to start. Woo! I love finishing builders just because, like, this car at one point was literally at an auction, nobody caring for it, and it was just gonna get ruined and thrown away and parted out, and we saved it. And it's a V1.
V1s are the best.
Yeah, V1s are definitely better than V2s. She came out good. Get it detailed. And yeah, I mean, drive it.